Welcome back to school, and thank you so much for attending this evening's presentation. My name is Melissa Hertz, the new school librarian. I'd like to take a few minutes, so just sit right there, and I'll tell you a little bit about the new library. First, a little bit about myself. I have 17 years teaching elementary school students. I am a lifelong learner, reader, and writer, which has prepared me to be your child's literacy guide, as well as your partner through these 21st century skills that we all need to know. I am also a collaborator with teachers and the entire school community. Most importantly, I am available to you and the students. I see my role as an educator through supporting the school community by collaborating, instituting new technology, and guiding everyone through the inquiry process. I see the library as the hub of the school. It is open before and after school to be available as much as possible. The library is for every member of the school community. That means you, the parents and families. The library is a place for exploration and inquiry. And the library is also a safe place where our students can learn, extend their thinking, and receive help. Student success begins with reading. The school library is here to support all students in becoming enthusiastic readers and critical thinkers. The more enthusiasm students have for reading, the more success they will have in all content areas. I will make a difference in the learning outcomes of students by making the library a welcoming place with exciting and high-interest activities and programs. We, the parents and families, and we will collaborate. We will work together so that your children can embody the characteristics that we all need in this global economy. How can we do this? I would like for y'all to stay connected. Join me in following the library's social media pages. Also, I can't wait to see y'all at special community nights, events, and workshops. And if you have the time, please feel free to volunteer. We'd love to see you up at the school. I collaborate with your child's classroom teachers. It really does take a village. I do this through attending grade and team level planning meetings, by pushing into classrooms to co-teach lessons with your child's teachers, by knowing the curriculum taught in the classroom. Since I was there for 17 years, this has prepared me for that part. Additionally, I will support content area units and research projects. Some of the library programs we will have this year are homework helpers. I know many parents struggle with helping their students with homework. That's where I can help. I have instituted a peer mentorship program. More on that to come later. We will also have a parent and family book club, special literacy nights with amazing and fun activities, one in fall and one in spring, makerspace, where students can explore and learn on their own, coding, and also school-wide reading teams. I look forward to working with y'all throughout the school year, and please don't hesitate to reach out at any time. Remember, it's our school and our library.